Hi everyone, I am Jason. I am still repairing aircraft. Today, I will tell you about the aircraft heavy maintenance. For head start, I have to say thank you to all my partners. You guys did a great job. Well, we perform heavy maintenance over 100 times every year. First step, we are gonna strip the paint off the plane, like my wife stripped off her makeup. After that, let's tow the plane to the specific hangar. We have to remove chairs, lavatories, galleys, ceilings, and everything we see. Components will all be sent to shops for further inspection. The engines, they are the heart of an airplane. So we have a well-prepared engine shop to repair it. Did you know we could also test the landing gears on ground? We perform detailed inspection to ensure the airworthiness. After the inspection, the parts are ready to be installed back to the aircraft. Depending on the schedule, it's quite common that we go to work or go home before the break of dawn. Today, we are doing the engine change in an early morning. After a busy month, the plane is almost ready to be released. It's time for paint job. Let's dress her up with paint layer by layer. Wow, the beautiful plum flower blossoms. Late China Airlines is known all over the world. It's all bright like new, but not done yet. The aircraft is now on the scales doing the weight and balance for a new center of gravity. Just let you know, this A330 is around 280,000 pounds without feet. It's about time for final event, the engine run-up test. The engine run-up test is including the hydraulic, avionic, flight control, and many others. Mission accomplished. Alright, let a beautiful lady fly. We're not just to be good. We do more than better.